Ever wondered why lemons are the superheroes of the fruit world? These zesty little wonders are everywhere, from our kitchens to our cleaning cupboards, even making a splash in our health routines. Not just a tangy addition to our meals, lemons pack a punch with their health benefits, making them a true citrus superstar, and their history just as intriguing as their sour flavor. So buckle up for a zesty journey into the world of lemons. Stay tuned as we peel back the layers on this citrus sensation. Lemons aren't just a sour-faced challenge, they are a powerhouse of nutrients. Lemons, those bright yellow orbs of citrus goodness, are more than just a delightful addition to your water or a key ingredient in your favorite lemon meringue pie. These zesty fruits are jam-packed with health benefits that can give your body a serious boost. First off, let's talk about vitamin C. This powerful antioxidant helps to protect our cells from damage. It's like having your own personal bodyguard, warding off harmful free radicals. And lemons, they're practically overflowing with the stuff. So the next time you're feeling a little under the weather, instead of reaching for that vitamin C supplement, why not squeeze a little lemon into your tea? Next up, digestion. Ever feel a bit bloated or sluggish after a hefty meal? Well, lemons to the rescue. The citric acid in lemons helps to break down food, aiding in digestion. It's like having a little helper in your digestive tract, making sure everything runs smoothly. Now, we've all heard about the latest fad diets for weight loss, but did you know that lemons can help too? The pectin fiber in lemons can help you feel full and satisfied, reducing the urge for a mid-afternoon snack. It's like having your own personal trainer, nudging you away from that cookie jar. And let's not forget about heart health. Studies suggest that the flavonoids in lemons may help to lower the risk of heart disease. It's like having a little cheerleader, encouraging your heart to keep pumping strong. A touch of humor to lighten things up? Well, if life gives you lemons, you're in luck. So the next time you wince at the thought of a lemon, remember, it's not just a sour fruit trying to make you pull a funny face. It's a little yellow powerhouse, brimming with health benefits. It's like having an all-in-one health supplement right in the palm of your hand. So the next time you wince at the thought of a lemon, remember, it's just brimming with goodness. Did you know lemons have a history as rich as their flavor? Indeed, our zesty friends have quite a tale to tell. Let's peel back the layers and take a look at their origin story. Our journey begins in Asia, where lemons first made their appearance. Historians believe they were cultivated in the foothills of the Himalayas, in what is now northeastern India. From there, they spread to the rest of Asia, including China and Persia. It's fascinating to imagine these little yellow fruits making such a big journey, isn't it? Now let's fast forward to the time of the ancient Romans. If you were to stroll through the markets of Rome 2,000 years ago, you'd likely see lemons being sold. But it wasn't just the common folk who enjoyed them. In fact, they were considered a luxury item, a status symbol of sorts. One could say, when life gave the Romans lemons, they made elegance? Now let's set sail to the Americas. Christopher Columbus is credited with bringing lemon seeds to the New World in the late 15th century. Talk about precious cargo! These seeds would eventually grow and spread across the continent, making lemons a staple in many American kitchens today. But lemons weren't just cherished for their taste. They played a crucial role in the era of long sea voyages. Sailors were often plagued by scurvy, a disease caused by a lack of vitamin C. Enter lemons. Packed with this essential nutrient, lemons became a lifesaver on the high seas, preventing scurvy and keeping sailors healthy. So whether they were gracing the tables of ancient Rome or saving sailors from scurvy, lemons have had quite an impact. They've journeyed across continents, sailed the seas, and even held a place of honor in high society. From a status symbol to a scurvy preventative, lemons have certainly made their mark in history. Ready for some juicy tidbits about lemons? Let's dive right in. Did you know that lemons, despite their acidic taste, are actually alkaline forming in the body? That's right, lemons help balance pH levels, keeping your body on an even keel. Here's another surprising fact. Lemons are technically berries? Yes, you heard that right. In the botanical world, a berry is a fleshy fruit produced from a single ovary. Since lemons fit this description, they're classified as berries. The term berry suddenly got a bit more zest, didn't it? Now let's add a little spark to our lemon facts. Believe it or not, lemons can generate electricity. How? Well, the acid in a lemon can act as an electrolyte, and when paired with two different metals, say a copper penny and a galvanized nail, it can create a rudimentary battery. Connect a few of these lemon batteries together, and you can even power a small light bulb. Talk about a bright idea. And for our final fun fact, Did you know that the largest lemon ever recorded weighed a whopping 11 pounds and 9.7 ounces? Imagine the lemonade you could make with that. So, whether they're balancing your body's pH, doubling as a battery, or simply adding a splash of flavor, lemons are incredibly versatile. Who knew lemons could be so electrifying? So, what's the squeeze on lemons? Let's take a moment to recap the zest of our discussion. We've learned that these sunny orbs pack a major health punch. They're a great source of vitamin C, a potent antioxidant that boosts your immune system and keeps your skin glowing. They also aid digestion, freshen breath, and can even help you lose weight. Our journey through the ages revealed a rich history. Originating from Asia, lemons have been adorning our tables and flavoring our dishes for over 2,000 years. They've traveled with explorers, cured sailors of scurvy, and have even found their way into some of our most beloved expressions. And who could forget our fun facts? From the largest lemon to the most lemon juice squeezed in a minute, these tangy fruits never cease to surprise and delight us. The next time you see a lemon, remember, it's more than just a tangy treat. It's a tiny yellow powerhouse. Thanks for watching. Tune in again for more great videos from Brain Nosh.